Gardening is like every hobby. You can end up with a ton of gear. But whether you're a seasoned gardener or a newbie, these are my 4 essentials that you must have every season to gear up for gardening. Every year I buy new gloves. We've got the coat at fingertips, which is important to keep your fingernails nice and clean. This is the leather palms, which is great for gripping if you're doing a lot of heavy duty planting or weeding. And then of course the liquid protection if you're replanting. Buckets in every size are perfect for transporting plants around the yard. Pruning shears are a must. You don't have to spend a ton of money, but you want to have a nice sharp pair. You need to have small tools for gardening. So glad I have my new gloves. Now you're all geared up, let's get gardening.